Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well.
Today I'm going to show you 10 Indian skincare brands.
Which you should give it a try because they are very good products and you should try an Indian brand for your skincare. They are really very good and people like कि इतने पैसे में अगर international brand मिल रही है तो we should try that. No guys, Indian brands are really very good and this 10 in skincare brands which I am showing you, they are really worth it. So you should give it a try. That's why I'm doing a video so that it will help you to buy Indian products. Okay guys, let's get started with the video. So the first brand I want to talk about is Plum. Plum is a really very good brand and their skincare products are really very good. So the first product from Plum I want to talk about is their Kajal. Their Kajal is really very good. I have already tried their Kajal and the Kajal is also very smudge proof. So you should give it a try of their Kajal and the night cream, the green tea night cream of Plum, that is also very good. I will list all the products. Okay guys, so next I want to talk about the Biotique. This is also Indian brand and you all know that I just love Biotique. Biotique toner is really very good. You should give it a try and this brand is really very affordable. They have their toner, the moisturizer, the face pack, the papaya face pack. This really is really very good and they are very affordable also and very effective also. That they doesn't have very much chemicals in them so that will not really damage your skin and it will really help you to repair your skin. This Biotique as a brand, I really love this brand because I am already using that brand and the products are really very inexpensive, so you can just give it a try. I will show you all the products so that you know which products to buy and you can also give it a try on the Biotique brand. That's a very good brand. Okay guys, the third brand I want to talk about in the Indian brands is the Kama Ayurveda. Kama Ayurveda is a really very good brand. Kama Ayurveda has sought to bring the authentic beauty and the natural wellness in the world. It is giving you message of using Ayurveda. Their brand is 100% organic and you should give it a try. So Kama Ayurveda really has very nice products of skincare. They have their rose water which is really very good. You should give it a try. They have their night cream. It's called Miraculous Beauty. That is really very good. You should give it a try on that. They have the Haldi Chandan Brightness Face Pack. That is also good. That is for 15.95 I think. So, the price is approx to that. So these products are really very good from Kama Ayurveda. I think you should give it a try on these products and many more products. So this brand as a brand is really very good and you should give it a try on this brand because it's really 100% organic and it's an Ayurveda brand. So you should give it a try. So the next up, the fourth brand which I want to talk about is the Wow Skincare. So Wow is really very good brand. The Wow is derived from the old age beauty and health recipe and it makes it affordable for you. So this is also a very good brand. You should give it a try on this brand. This brand is not very well known to many people and I really like their products. This brand is very affordable. Their ingredients are natural ingredients. It is cruelty free brand. It has no chemicals in it and it is the eco-friendly brand. The packaging is also very eco-friendly and the best part of this brand is it's very affordable. You can buy the products at very low rates and it doesn't compromise on the brand or the products. They are really very good. So I thought I should just introduce you to this brand and this brand products will really help you, so you should give it a try to this brand. So the products which I want to talk about is their apple cider vinegar face wash. Apple cider vinegar face wash, their aloe vera gel, the charcoal face mask, vitamin C face serum. They have many products. You should just go on their website and just check it out. I will just give it a picture also so that you can see which all products are available. So as a brand, this is also a very good brand and it's very affordable for us so that we can buy our face wash or whatever like serums. They are really very affordable and you can just give it a try and it's 100% natural, so that's no problem and you will not have any side effects of this. Okay guys, so the next up I want to talk about this Forest Essential brand. Forest Essential is a luxury brand It is a favorite of many people. These products are totally natural and safe for your skin. Forest Essential, though, is an expensive brand, but the price is just worth it because their products are really very good. Forest Essential is an authentic traditional skincare brand. It's 100% Ayurvedic, cruelty-free brand. It's made in India. So Forest Essential is really very good, and the brand is really, the skincare products are really very good. Though they are expensive, but the skincare range of their is really very good. I will show you which products are good, and they are I'm just showing you the 3-4 products, but the range of these products are really very good. You should give it a try on this brand also. So I will show you which products I'm talking about. So they are Forest Essential under eye cream, that is with banana and potato starch. It's a very good under eye cream. It's though expensive, but it's a very good skin under eye cream. The next product I'm talking about is, I'm just giving you the examples. Their brand is really very good. You can try every product of that. These are the little products. I'm just giving you examples. So this is the Advanced Youthful. It's made from date and lychee. This product is really very good. This will help you in fine lines. If you have problem of fine lines, aging, it will give you a very nice skin. This moisturizer really helps you. You can just give it a try. This is a very good. Though it's expensive, but if you want to really invest in your skincare, then you can just try this brand. The products are really very good, and they are just worth for the price. So the next brand which I want to talk about is Mamaearth. Mamaearth, you know, I just love this brand. I have just shown so many products of their, like their onion hair, the face mask, the Upton face wash. They have their serums, vitamin C serum. Mamaearth is also very nice brand. They are also cruelty free, 100% organic brand, plastic positive brand. And Mamaearth is also very nice brand. You should just try their products, and they are also very affordable. And Mamaearth is almost going on off everywhere, so you can just give it a try. Their products, the hair mask and their shampoos, the tea tree shampoo, the face mask, Upton face wash, they are really worth trying. You should give it a try. Their vitamin C serum is also very good, and many more products. I will just list everything in the screen so that you can see which all products they have, and it's really very good brand. You should give it a try to Mamaearth. So the next product I want to talk about is Modicare. Modicare is also a very good brand. This brand is not very well known to people. I have done videos on that, and I have given a review on their products. Their tea tree oil, I really love the tea tree oil from Modicare. It's a very good brand. You have to shop it online. You don't get in the medical stores or somewhere or anywhere. You have to order it online only. So from Modicare, tea tree oil, their face wash, they have their soaps also. They are really very good. They are worth trying. They have their serums also, night cream, day cream, and they have their beauty products also. So Modicare is also a very nice brand, and it's booming day by day. So I thought I will just introduce you to this brand, and I have done a review on so many products of their. So you can just give it a try, and you can just go and watch that products if you would like to see. I really love their tea tree oil, so you should give it a try on this brand also. So next brand I want to talk about is Good Vibes. Good Vibes is also a really nice brand, guys. You should give it a try because Good Vibes is also not very expensive, and they have really very nice products. This is also not very well known to people, and many people are not introduced to this brand. So I thought I will just introduce you to brands so that you also get the benefit of the brand. So Good Vibes brings you the fresh ingredients picked from the remotest corner from the world. This is also a very good brand, and it is not very this is not very expensive brand. They really have very nice oil like essentials oils. So they have their lavender oil, grape oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, and they are not very expensive. They are only for 134 or something. So the oils really are very good, and they have many more products like their face wash, Upton face wash, Upton skincare, the night cream. So I think, guys, you should give it a try. So their products are really very good. You should give it a try, and it's not very expensive also. So you can buy one product so that you get to know about the brand and how it works on your skin, so that after that you can buy their products and give it a try. Okay guys, so the next brand I want to talk about is Sugandha. Sugandha is also a very nice brand. Products are raw and organic and are sourced from all over the world, and with the products are mixed with the essential oils for the refreshing natural fragrance. This is really very nice brand. They have the AHA serum, BHA serum, exfoliating serum. Sugandha has really the nice products in their range. So you should give it a try. AHA serums, they are magical and they will just, your skin will just feel very smooth when you apply it. The skin texture will also change, and in one or two applications only you will see the difference. They have their AHA serums, BHA serums, exfoliating serums, and they are not very expensive. So guys, you should give it a try on these brands, because these are Indian brands, but they are really very good. And it's not compulsory that we should buy an international brand and then only this it works. Indian brands are really very good, and that's why I'm doing this video, so that you can buy Indian brands and you can try your hands on that, and you spend too much money on the products you're buying, and you will get the results from affordable range also. Okay guys, so the next up brand I want to talk about is Neemly. Neemly is also a very nice brand. The base of this brand, they started it from Bandra, and this is a very small enterprise, and the brand is not very well known, but this is really very nice brand, and the products of there are really very effective. The brand really is very good. You should give it a try. And this is also an Indian brand. The products from this brands are the coconut lip balm, their lip scrub, coffee lip scrub, and many more products from this brands are really very good. So you should try this brand. So guys, I have shown you all the 10 Indian skincare brands that really works and are very affordable, so that you can just give it a try on these brands, and you don't need to buy any very expensive brands or very harsh chemicals on your skin. I have shown you all the brands which are natural and Ayurvedic, so that will really help for your skin to repair, and will really and you don't have to spend too much money on the expensive brands, and you don't need to invest in any international brands. The Indian brands are really very good, and they really works on your skin. So guys, I hope this video was and the information I have given you in this video was useful to you. If you like more such videos, please comment below, so that I can give you information of more such brands and more something like that more, so that I can do that videos. Okay guys, I hope you like this video, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and please like and share my videos guys. Bye, take care, stay healthy.